So let's take a deep dive into the perks of being a Delta Medallion member. Specifically, what is it like to fly with silver, gold, platinum, and diamond medallion status? If you've ever wondered if the benefits are truly worth it, stick around. We'll cover everything from priority boarding to those coveted complimentary upgrades. But first, let me share a bonus tip, one that helps us manage the stress that's created by traveling, just like adjusting to different time zones, staying focused, and being relaxed. It's called Magic Mind, and my wife and I take it daily. Honestly, it's a game changer for us. Magic Mind is a 2-ounce mineral performance shot that helps you think clearer, faster, and reduces stress. And it includes 100% of your daily vitamin C and vitamin D in each bottle. Plus, its small size means it's TSA friendly, so you can easily pack it into your carry-on and clear airport security. Now, the best part was just after 5 to 7 days, we noticed a real difference. We started sleeping better, felt more energetic, and even those long travel days became much easier to handle. Now, with its natural ingredients like matcha, it aligns perfectly with our commitment to staying healthy, despite all the traveling we do. Magic Mind reached out to us. They sent us a few shots to see if it would actually work for us before sponsoring this video. And it did. And they stand behind their product, offering a 100% refund, no questions asked, for 100 days after purchase if you're not satisfied. Now, if you want to join us on the 7-day challenge with Magic Mind, now's a great time. For the next 10 days, you can get up to 48% off using our discount code, which you'll find in the description, SweetPotatoCorn20. Now, let's jump into the magic of these travel perks. Delta operates a total of 9 hubs in the US, and if you live in one of these cities, it definitely makes sense to consider Delta over the competition. Now, let's talk about earning status with Delta. For 2025, the thresholds are as follows: 5,000 MQDs for silver, 10,000 MQDs for gold, 15,000 MQDs for platinum, 28,000 MQDs for diamond. Delta has made some significant changes this year, and one of the key updates require action from customers. If you rolled over any MQMs from 2023 into 2024, you have until December 31st, 2024 to do a one-time rollover MQM conversion. You will be able to choose how you want your MQMs converted, either into MQDs, Medallion Qualifying Dollars, miles, or a combination of both. For members with over 100,000 rollover MQMs, there is even a better option to extend the 2024 Medallion status for another year. Another exciting update for frequent flyers is the enhancement to the Million Miler program. Delta has increased lifetime status for Million Milers. So now, 1 million milers can get lifetime gold status with Delta. 2 million milers can get lifetime platinum, 3 million milers can get lifetime diamond, and 5 million milers can get a lifetime membership in Delta's invitation-only program, Delta 360. Now, let's break down the benefits you can expect at each medallion level. Silver Medallion. After spending $5,000 with Delta, you'll earn 7 miles per dollar spent on qualifying flights. Silver Medallion members and one companion can get unlimited complimentary upgrades to first class or Delta Comfort Plus. The upgrade window opens 24 hours before departure, so while it's not guaranteed, it's always a nice surprise when you score an upgrade. Another great perk is free checked bags. You and up to 8 companions can check one bag for free on Delta flights. Perfect for families looking to save on baggage fees. Plus, you also get Sky Priority services like priority check-in, priority security, and priority boarding. And if you're in the Clear, Silver Medallion members also get a $40 discount on a Clear Plus membership, making security lines even shorter. Next, we have Gold Medallion. After spending $10,000 with Delta, you'll earn 8 miles per dollar spent, and their upgrade window opens to 72 hours before departure. This gives you a better chance of snagging a first class seat than with Silver. Gold Medallion members also enjoy a free check bag, and here's the key benefit: same-day confirmed flight changes are free, which is a huge advantage if you need flexibility in your travel plans. Additionally, Gold members also receive Sky Priority boarding, priority check-in, and priority security services. And don't forget, you also get Sky Team Elite Plus status. giving you global lounge access, perfect for international travelers. And in addition to the access in international lounges, you're also allowed one guest. So this is perfect for those traveling with a companion or traveling with families. After spending $15,000 with Delta, you'll unlock Platinum Medallion status, where things really start to get exciting. You'll earn 9 miles per dollar spent, and the upgrade window opens 5 days before departure, giving you a much better shot at first-class seats. Like Silver and Gold, Platinum members also get a free check bag for themselves and up to 8 companions. One major perk at this level is the choice benefit. Platinum members can select extra rewards like regional upgrade certificates or bonus miles. And of all the choice benefits, the regional upgrade certificates often offer the best value, especially since Delta allows you to use them on award travel. You also have access to a dedicated VIP phone line for help with booking and flight changes. And you'll keep your SkyTeam Elite Plus status for those international travel perks. Finally, we've reached the pinnacle. Delta Medallion status. After spending $28,000, Diamond members earn 11 miles per dollar spent, and the upgrade window opens 5 days before departure, with the highest priority for upgrades. One of the coolest perks, complimentary Clear Plus membership, which lets you zip through security like a VIP. Diamond members also enjoy top priority for upgrades, priority security, and expedited baggage service. When it comes to choice benefits, Diamond Medallion members have some incredible options, like global upgrade certificates, Delta Sky Club membership, and even a 2,000 Medallion Qualifying Dollar accelerator. For frequent international travelers, global upgrade certificates are the best choice. They can easily make up for more than half the cost it took to reach Diamond status. Let me show you an example of why these global upgrade certificates are worth choosing. Let's use Hong Kong as an example. This is a place I like to travel to often, and it's a 15-hour flight. And I want to travel in Delta One. So I'm going to book about 5 months out, and I'm going to see what the fare is for the actual Delta One seat to Hong Kong. The fare comes back at $8,800. So that's $8,800 that you can potentially get out of your global upgrade certificate, although you would need to use some miles in order to do that. So on one hand, you're spending miles and a certificate versus out of pocket $8,800. And you can see how you can recoup some of that cost that you spent to earn status as a diamond. So there you have it, a breakdown of all the benefits that come with Delta Medallion status, from silver to diamond. Whether you're a casual traveler or a frequent flyer, Delta has something to make your journey a bit more comfortable. Let me know in the comments if you're a Medallion member and what perks you love the most. And remember to join us for the Magic Mind 7-Day Challenge using our discount code, SweetPotatoCorn 20. Get you up to 48% off your first subscription for the next 10 days. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more travel tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.